This is chapter 6, number 2. We are going to be putting the following equations of a line into slope-intercept form, making sure that we simplify every one of the fractions. Okay, what is slope-intercept form? Slope-intercept form is where we can write it as y equals mx plus b. Okay, so that means the y is on one side and the x is on the other side. So in short, we have to get y alone. That's the whole premise. So here, how do we get y alone for a? Well, there's a 2x, so we're going to subtract 2x to both sides. The left side here cancels, leaving you with a 4y is equal to negative 2x minus 20. The right-hand side does not combine because they're not like terms. There's a 4 in front of the y, so we're going to divide the left side and everything on the right side by 4. The left side cancels, leaving you with a y is equal to, we can simplify this as negative 1 over 2, x minus 5. This is now in slope-intercept form. B, let's do the same thing. So we're going to subtract 9x to both sides. Left side here cancels, leaving you with a 6y is equal to negative 9x plus 42. Then we are going to divide by that 6 to both sides. Everything on the right hand side, we now will get y is equal to negative 3x over 2 plus 7. And then C, we're going to subtract 3x to both sides to start to get the y alone. The left side here cancels with the 3x. We are left with a 9y is equal to negative 3x minus 54. Then we divide by 9 to everything on the left and on the right. We get y is equal to, we can simplify this fraction as negative 1/3 x minus 6. There you go. That is how you simplify the equation into slope-intercept form.